Dear students, in my last lecture, we had discussion on ferrocement. Today, I will throw some light on sulfur concrete, its production, properties and advantages. In the recent years, there is enormous increase in the production of sulfur, especially in Canada. In Canada, there is a problem to consume the large quantity of sulfur produced. This situation has led to use the sulfur as a low-cost construction material for producing sulfur concrete and sulfur infiltrated concrete. Sulfur concrete consists of sulfur, fine and coarse aggregate only. It contains neither cement nor water. It attains high strength at early age of the order of 35 megapascal in 8 hours. Mixed proportion of sulfur concrete. For optimum strength and workability, the typical mixed proportions are as 20% sulfur, 32% fine aggregate and 48% coarse aggregate and 5% silica flour, which comes as 1:1.6:2.4. The ratio of the fine to coarse aggregate comes as 1:1.5. The grading of the aggregate should be as to give a minimum void content. When a comparison of 1:1.6:2.4 sulfur concrete made with conventional Portland cement concrete of equal strength having proportions as 1:1.8:2.6 with water cement ratio as 0.41 showed that sulfur concrete gained strength very rapidly and reached its ultimate strength in 6 to 8 hours under normal ambient temperature and humidity conditions, whereas normal Portland cement concrete attains its ultimate strength in about 1 year time. Method of production of sulfur concrete. There are two methods adopted for the production of sulfur concrete. Method number 1. In this method, the powdered sulfur and aggregates are mixed in a conventional mixer provided with a heater. With the help of this heater, the temperature of the mix is raised rapidly to a temperature of 140 degrees centigrade. At this high temperature, the ingredients of the mix form a uniform mixture which can be cast into molds. Then method number 2. In this method, the coarse aggregate is preheated slowly to a temperature of about 180 degrees centigrade. And then this aggregate is fed into a tilting drum mixture. Now a sufficient quantity of sulfur is put into the drum to coat the coarse aggregate. Then the fine aggregate is added, followed by the remaining sulfur. At this stage, a workability agent such as silica flour is also added and the mixture is cast into the molds or form. To allow for the contraction of the sulfur on cooling in the mold or form, a little extra mixture is filled. After cooling, the surplus concrete is removed by soil. Now, what are the properties of sulfur concrete? The physical and mechanical properties of the sulfur concrete, based on some work already carried out. The compressive strength in megapascal 28 to 70 range. The direct tensile strength in megapascal 3 to 8. Modulus of rupture in megapascal 3 to 10. Modulus of elasticity in gigapascal, that is GPa 20 to 45. Coefficient of thermal expansion 10 to the power minus 6 per degree centigrade 8 to 35. Thermal conductivity joules per meter square second and degree centigrade per meter, that is 0.422. Water absorption percent, that is 0 to 1.5. Advantages of sulfur concrete. Number 1. As compared with Portland cement concrete, sulfur concrete gains strength very rapidly and attains about 90% of its ultimate strength in 6 to 8 hours under normal temperature and humidity conditions. Number 2. Sulfur concrete made with crushed aggregate gives much higher strength than made with natural gravel. Number 3. The strength values obtained from large specimens have been found lower. The decrease probably may be due to combined effect of specimen size and lower rate of cooling while in mold. This aspect of sulfur concrete can pose a serious problem for thick structural members. Then these advantages make the sulfur concrete suitable for use in precast units for outdoor applications, and its chemical durability makes it suitable for industrial plant use. Disadvantages of sulfur concrete. Number 1, it has a low melting point of 119 degree, that means 119 degree centigrade, with a consequent loss of strength. It is vulnerable to combustion and produces toxic gases. Number 3, it crisps more than Portland cement concrete. Number 4, it has poor resistance to freezing and thawing. 5, it produces corrosive effect on reinforcing steel under wet or humid conditions. 6, it is very brittle. These disadvantages makes the sulfur concrete unsuitable for most structural applications. Thank you.